Does getting your child to do homework feel like an endless battle? You're not alone, and we have the right solutions to make the ordeal less distressing both for you and your child. Think of homework like riding a bike. Once you pick it up, it's a skill that stays with you for the rest of your life. But it's a skill you learn with a little help. An elder, some support wheels, a few bruised elbows, and a lot of practice every day. That's what helps you learn to balance. Implement these 5 steps, and you and your little one will be pedaling towards the sunset without any more homework stress. Have a positive approach. In the beginning, you need to remember that homework is a foreign concept to the child, and it's up to you to shape their approach towards it. Introduce it with positive, exciting energy, and that's how they will approach it too. As you do so, convey the importance of homework for their educational development. Next, create a balanced routine. Set aside a designated time every day for study and homework. Use the time to first read and revise topics covered in the classroom that day. This can help them get a clearer idea of what is assigned for homework. A neat trick that will make the actual task of doing homework go much faster. Do you know what else will help create an environment conducive to homework and study? A dedicated study desk. Just like you need a working environment at work or at home to get into your focus zone, kids need a distraction-free area for homework as well. With the help of your child, build a designated homework space which will improve focus and concentration. You can add visual aids and calming elements, a timetable, and so on to the space and personalize it in a way that the child looks forward to returning to every day. Over time, it will become an unwritten rule that when they are in the homework corner, they study or do the homework. Spend time every evening talking to your child about school, friends, and what they learn in class. If any new topics have been taught, ask them how much they understood it. Make homework a part of the discussion. Make it seem like an opportunity to learn better, not a chore. If you show interest in what the child is learning, it will motivate them to be enthusiastic as well. And finally, teach kids to enjoy the breaks in between homework. It can be exhausting to work on it at a stretch for hours together. If the homework for the day is plentiful or challenging, break up the assignments into smaller chunks and approach them piece by piece. So, encourage your little one to take small breaks after completing a subject. Do a little dance, eat a snack, spend time with each other, or simply just hug it out. This will freshen up their minds and energize them to go at it again. Remember that motivation and encouragement goes a long way in helping a child develop a keen interest in learning. Homework is only a means to evaluate progress and understand the topic better. Once you stop treating it as a chore to be ticked off the to-do list, your child will stop being resistant too. Don't forget to high-five after homework's all done and put away.